Welcome to Moments. Today we are going to show you a little tailor bird. Before that, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. The nest of a tailor bird is smaller than your palm. Usually a tailor bird builds its nest between two strongly stitched leaves, but this one made its nest quite openly and different. We noticed two eggs at first, but the next day one of them was disappeared. We don't know where it was gone. The only egg hatched and the baby bird came out. Look, how delicate is it? Two days later. We don't go near to the nest frequently because the mama bird doesn't like our visit to them. The growing feathers of the baby bird are changing color from black to sap green. Next day we found the nest empty. We don't know what happened to it. We can only assume. Thank you.